August 13, 2024. August 13, 2024 is next. No gaps. Let's see. I like this double top. 521 to 522.88, then to 523.94, then to 525.87. I'm gonna move this and bring it down. Bring it down. Local high. Seeing this, I could kind of, let me see. We have a 1 minute uptrend right here. Let's see. See what happens in the second candle. Reject. Reject. Red to green through the high. Breakout. Let's see. Look at this. Struggling to break and hold above this resistance. Let's see if we get to 527.17. Nice move though, 521 to 525. This is why I love these plays, like these bullish reversals. Like, it makes it hard for me to play anything else. Like, when you know what to expect, when you know your A+ setups and you know what to expect, it's like, why play anything else for 10 to 15%? You understand? Like, I get it. It depends on your account size. You might have a 100K account and 10% is a lot of 100K. Whereas one of those, if you have a smaller account and you know what to look for, you know what you're looking for, you just got to be disciplined and wait for your setups. We got December 2nd, 2024. Come back down. December 2nd, 2024. No gaps. Looking at the prior day high. This area looks nasty. Boom, boom, 1, 2. Catch this one right there. Can't break and hold above. Lines up 3. Double top right here. There's nothing really else in this area. nothing back there. $581.50. And okay. Okay. See what happens on the second candle. Boom. Red, buyer step in, double bottom, next candle. Sheesh. $585, $584, $583 psychological levels. It's crazy. Look how we holding this support.